Alright, this is my video quiz for the roots. Now, to start off, we're going to see if the root was caught hot dog style or longitude. Now, as you see in the diagram up here, this is the apical meristem. The cells are capable of division and growth and shoot tips and plants. Now, you got the most this is the multiple, which is the tips of roots that pulse through the soil, and they have a gel-like substance that helps them move through. Right here, you have the root cap, which the root cap protects the growing tips. Let's see, and then you got the root hairs, which are right here. These little things right here, which is labeled back here. Just labeled. Back here, which it protects the root, tips, as they're growing. Next, you have the region of maturation, which I'm just holding it like this because my phone broke. So, the region of nutrition is right here, which is where roots become mature and they elongate. Next, you have the region of elongation, right here, which is where the root cells lengthen the root, where the cells and lengthening of the root happens. And then you got the region of cell division, which is right here, which is where the cells, they regenerate, get new cells, and do it that way. Next, we have the diagrams that we printed out. So, right here, you have the phloem, which is going to be about right here. There we go. Then you got the cortex. Right here. And this is if you cut the root going up. Then you got the emerging lateral parts, which, alright. Emerging lateral parts, which are right here. You see as the root's coming out. And then endodermis, right here, going up. And then finally, last but not least, you got pith, which is right there. And the center. Next, now we got the bottom one, which you got the epidermis up here. See that? Then you got the xylem right here. And then you got the root hairs, which are obviously the things on the outside that kind of look like hairs. Then you got the endodermis inside it, which is obviously inside. Exodermis, which is outside, and you got the cortex. Yes, sir. Now, primary growth and secondary growth are both increasing in the size of the plants. They both are expanding in size. Now, primary growth isn't growing upward and long. So the way I think of it is because girls, they're like, oh, tall guy, oh, he's so tall, oh, cute. They want to be with them. For men, secondary growth is easy, because it's the thickening of the root. So for men, how I remember that is just saying like, damn, Shorty got thick root, All right, that's my quiz.